Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of creating a classic battle action comic using cutting-edge tools like MidJourney for art, ChatGPT for dialogue and story, and assembling it all in Affinity Publisher. If you've ever dreamed of bringing your own retro war comic to life, stick around. We're showing you how from concept to finished page. In this video, we're looking at creating a battle action comic using Affinity Designer and Affinity Publisher, along with MidJourney and ChatGPT. Now, these are AI assisted, but that's okay. If you use them intelligently, they'll work well. Now, what we've got here, obviously, is an old battle action comic. Creating a comic with MidJourney, ChatGPT and Affinity Publisher is what is involved in this. Bring your stories to life with the perfect creative trio. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm plots, dialogue and character ideas. Then generate striking black and white comic art in MidJourney. Finally, assemble everything into polished print-ready pages using Affinity Publisher's professional layout tools. From concept to finished comic, these tools give you a fast, flexible workflow for building authentic retro style or even modern comics with ease. Now we're looking only in this exercise in the battle comic genre. Now here's the prompts. Create your initial image using MidJourney with ChatGPT generated prompts. This is the first prompt, and if you put this into MidJourney and press enter, it will generate suitable comic quads for you. Now these are sample quads. This page is produced by the prompt sample that we just looked at. The same prompt will produce a different layout each time, and in each prompt you've got there, you've actually got 4 different samples from the same prompt. As a cartoon artist, I encourage you to make these layouts your own by tracing and modifying to suit your story. Don't just copy these ones and put them into a book. Each of these 4 panels will make up a single page each. So what you've effectively got there is the first 4 pages of your comic, if that's the way you want it. And as you can see there, we've got panel 1, panel 2, panel 3 and panel 4. Now prompting to build the comic. Here's a sample narrative breakdown with MidJourney suitable prompts for a war story page. Each one is tailored to look like a panel, but consistent in style. Page 1, No Man's Land. Establishing the shot. Wide panel, bleak World War II battlefield, barbed wire, mud, smoke drifting, distant ruined buildings, and so on in the prompt. And its aspect ratio is 3:2, version 6, style raw, and Q2. Panel 2, close up. Panel 3, panel 4, and panel 5. So each of those panels is on your page 1. And there they are there. Panel 1, establishing the shot. Now this is panel 1, but it gives you 4 panels there. So you can select which one you prefer to add into your story. The same with panel 2. Close up of a young soldier's terrified face. Pick the one you want. And you don't put all 4 of them on the same page, obviously. There's panel 3. And the prompt is listed below it there, obviously. If you look at that carefully, you'll see it's a MidJourney prompt. Panel 4, a narrow and tall panel. Panel 5, that's the final panel and quite dramatic. Close-up of soldier gripping his rifle tightly, etc., etc. Heavy ink shading, vintage UK war comic style, in the IPC Battle Action illustration comics. It's not a copy of those, but it's in the same style. So that gives you a good foundation to work on. Now let's build you a short, complete IPC battle action style comic sequence that you can prompt into MidJourney panel by panel. I'll give you a script breakdown, 4 pages, about 20 panels, plus panel level MidJourney prompts so you can generate art consistently. And of course that's what you want. You want consistent images across your comic. The style is gritty, realistic and heavily inked, like Charlie's War or Johnny Red, straight out of IPC Battle Action. It's the title of the story, No Man's Land, a 4-page battle action style short story. Page 1, Into the Fire. There's the script, the shattered World War II battlefield, mud, barbed wire, smoke, ruined buildings in the distance. The British infantry advances cautiously, and the prompt for MidJourney, just there. And there's the shot it produces. Page 1, Panel 2. We won't read through all them again. You can see how they work there. There's page 1, Panel 2. Page 1, Panel 3. Page 1, Panel 4. And tall, narrow panel. As you can see, that's exactly what you get. And again, still, you get 4 choices. Panel 5, close up and dramatic. Here's page 2. This is page 2 of your comic, remember. And the panel. Page 2, Panel 2. Page 2, Panel 3. Obviously, if you want to copy these panel prompts out, you can pause the video and copy them. Or you can go to the description, the YouTube description, and you'll see the download link there where the whole lot is available to download. Page 3, Panel 1. Page 3, Panel 2. Page 3, Panel 3. Page 3, Panel 4. Page 4. Panel 2. Panel 3. Panel 4. The dialogue and captions will really lock in the battle action feel. The tone is clipped, gritty and dramatic. Following is the full 4-page script with captions and dialogues matched to the panels we built. Now, if you're going to match, you need text on your panels, obviously. So page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. And you can see the text there, and you just need to put that into your panels and work on them. And of course you do that in Affinity Publisher or Affinity Designer perhaps. Each page is an A4 portrait, black gutters between panels and 5mm give or take spacing between panels. There's your panel layouts there for all 4 pages, page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. If you need to read those or copy them down, pause the video and take your time with them. Affinity setup notes. The document size is A4 portrait, CMYK if you're going to print them, or RGB if digital. Margins, panels and panel borders. Text areas. Don't forget, you need that for captions and speech bubbles. I've created a 4-page IPC style comic layout template as a PDF, and each page contains panel grids matching the layouts we discussed, ready for you to use as a guide in Affinity Publisher or Designer. And you can download that comic template from the download folder shown in the description panel. Start with the PDF I made, open Affinity Publisher, go to File, Open and select the IPC Comic Template PDF. Publisher will import each page as editable vector shapes. Each panel box is a rectangle. Convert panels into picture frames. Select each rectangle, the panel outline, right-click, Convert to Picture Frame. Now you can drag and drop your MidJourney rendered panel art straight into the frames. Set up master pages, optional but tidy. In the Pages panel, create a master page for each of the 4 layouts. Copy the imported grid from the PDF into the corresponding master page. Then apply those masters to new pages. This way you can reuse the IPC layout as a template for multiple stories. Add captions and balloons. Use the text frame tool for narration boxes and dialogue balloons. Keep to bold all caps fonts like CC Meanwhile, Comic Book or Badaboom for authenticity. Narration boxes usually have square corners. Balloons with tails should be oval shape. Affinity setup notes, export to print or screen. For print, export as PDF, CMYK with bleed. For digital or web, export as JPG or PNG, RGB colour format. And Affinity setup notes again. You should be familiar with these by now, I would think. And remember, you aren't limited to battle action on Earth. There's a prompt for space battle action. And you can see by reading through that it's the same as the World War II one, only changed slightly for years and space action. And the result from that one is something like that. I'm sure you can use just about any series you like. Space, shipping, aircraft, world wars, and just about anyone arguing around the world at these current days. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.